Minister for Territorial Administration, Oga Atanganji, he don't talk say all people them where they give chop and they give money and they support the confusion where it happen for Norwest West where they for outside country. May they sabi say aeroplane, he go can carry them small time, he bring them back for country for say me they answer question for all the thing the way they don't do am. This one, Gra Tango the talk as way it be the meet up with achieve them for Fako division where they be catch them where they deal with Gra Tango this afternoon for that side. So for inside Yawende. Inside this afternoon for Tori 2, we go talk this Palava Po where he catch fire for side for Apicam, na for Mabanda side. Lucky to say army rescue people then to the camp quick. They can't lose the fire from top that pole. Now for Sika waiting, we fire catch for day. We go talk for now. Now so too for inside Tori, we go turn back for the Tori for side for inside Kumbam. For Teona say waiting, it be then Amok versus Moto where they carry dirty. On top Kumbawata Bridge, motor waiting it happen. Una go see am for inside this afternoon. Plus, other Tori them we una go discover for Tori will get am for now for this afternoon. Even waiting when newspaper talk, we go bring am for now. And two, one for the road as well the enter for weekend. All thing we don't prepare for give am for now for this afternoon. Big part talk, it tell we say waiting. Say food for cockroach, it dey like a janga. But make you use and cook soup. Now that time you go understand say posh belle, it dey different kind. I say food for cockroach, it dey like a janga. Use and cook soup. That time you go sabi say posh belle, it dey different kind. Now Oga Sango Tikumusu Kasa Chalem inside Synod office for Boya. Now he send we big part talk. I dey turn back small time. We glad plenty again. Last one for inside the week. Tori will be talk for now. Plenty Tori the day will be the Kukamisa report. Afternoon, we give them for 9 the proper. Chapter 1, we go start for inside Douala year first. We go take una go for place where they call them say Apicam. Now for that side for Petty Wambam. Now quarter that for inside Mabandam. Army rescue people then say na then come. If no be then come, now me say that place if for born. Now po way it dey so it carry plenty rope on top his skin. It start the cash fire. Now for the way people then say for army rescue, where they dey for Mabanda side or for Bonaberi side, they call them, they run can quick for can lose the fire, where it be the cash on top pole. Sabi say the people them, they talk say na plenty rope them, where they pass, cable on it the pass, light on it the pass, phone on it the pass, even one way the thief lights, they are on to the pass. So now confusion for rope for on top one pole. Now he make them fire SSF a cash on top pole for inside place where they call them say Petty Wambam. Now for place where they sabi plenty say Alpicam inside Mabandam. But as well the talk now time say these people them for lost fire. Army rescue they be land for the quick for lost that fire. If no be so, maybe the fire for enter to for inside different people them their house. Now so palava for what way will disconnect. Now drop that high tension way they pass for before people their house. And just now that side light in no day. Question: the light it go come which time and which time to way the light it go come? Now the big question that people that they ask them inside this palava so country people them. So thank God say army rescue then come quick. If no be so, we for the talk now say plenty peoples or house they don't burn for sicker confusion for on top rope. Make we hear wait to wait some man for inside Alpicam Nambabanda. A talk for we own man for that side. Romanus.
Picam. I want to go down from my house for West End. I want to come down. I see how light electric the bond. Where cable they don't can jump for one place. The stick where the cable the bond for there. It don't be old. All the cable they don't join together. There was no way for we to communicate. It does me how I don't see how this Shafier Pompier, whether now come and don't call them, I don't really know. That usually thing where it always happen for we for this quarter. We don't know whether electrician the day, whether they do work that we can work. We don't really know because even light we know to get life for quarter. Now the very thing because it's the bone. No people from today, certain next week we know get life for quarter. So now it does we whether so now the day where they work their work because now so it happen for this very strict. I just come on up for door for Apicam. I want to go down from my house for West End. I want to come down. I see how light electric the bone. Where cable they don't can jump for one place. The stick where.
Na part that we SSBC as we fire start cash on top of before people them for lost fire army rescue too the land for day. Now so we enter for K-Town for on top bridge where the divide Kumba 1 and Kumba 2. Now for Kumba Water bridge the image it makes some kind of way but make una put una eye straight so that we go turn up see the thing. Now motor that way they carry dirty as we see and so we chakara so they say na amok motor for K2 people themselves it jam and so for that side so for on top bridge. According to Tori we enter for we ear, they try for tell we say the amok motor be the run count down with his speed. Then this motor says where they carry dirty, he see he say make Inyati itana for corner so that he can pass. But even as we itana for another place, na so the motor he can pass. A chakara the motor so for one side so complete. Now for sika that iron way they too for corner bridge. Where this motor e no for yes for sika the iron wey e dey for corner bridge she as wey motor chakara na that BB motor dem that way dey carry dirty na for inside Kumba side con the people dem wey this in pass on top bridge for that side so for Kumba as we take talk for now na amok motor say be dey calm down for speed na im talk this one na that small iron so na dey see am e hold this motor if no be so. Motor sesep if for surely tumble side if fall for inside Kumba Water we drive as we dey but K2 people them say they be there they be the control road so that make plenty people them they no can turn up for day then say they be last stand up for control road as well their motor it be go for before so now the small thing that now the accident that way pass driver for motor lucky to say he no get wound na iron this way hold the motor as soon as I see and so na iron that way hold that motor if no be so the motor if for enter one time now for inside water so for that side for Kumba. Now amateur image now why that turn say make una stand up una eye fine so that una go see the team fine. Yes, una go see the team fine. If una check una eye plenty, una no go enjoy the team as well as the talk for this side. Road for Bumiebe Sesep e be lock small for that side so it be then na Thursday where the road e lock motor there they comot Douala side they no be fit for cross motor then Sesep where they comot here in the side they no be fit for cross K2 then Sesep they be turn up they the control as well one the pass wetin happen accident with the two motor the way they carry firewood for middle road na the accident wey happen for Bumiebe con the people them na one he head that way enter for bush firewood Sesep timber e fall for down e lock road and inside this accident 3 people them they get wound they dey for Puma hospital na one motor that way the motor twist is so put am for back so as I dey see am but we never fit for talk as so sabi we no fit for confirm whether people then die but now 3 people them we hear they comot them for inside this accident the day for that side so for Puma hospital now for the way they look at them just now. We left this palaver for accident. We take una so for that side so for Norwest for talk for na say Bengui na road for Bengui to for go for Archer side road e no dey Wusai bridge e dey no ask ambassador but the bridge e don fall for that na him say no motor e no dey fit for pass for enter so for that side so for Bengui as una dey see am road for comot from Bengui go for Archer na junction for Ngi and Jikwa subdivision so for inside that side so for Bamenda na bridge wey be get for before here road e don cut na him say way e no dey for people dem for cross when part they wan pass they dey only struggle pass na only for corner dem before they climb go for that side for the other side for inside town apart from say na the road so we cut so wey people na dey see am so all corner for inside that road the side wey dey pass na only big stick the way e don cover the whole road con the people dem man say no fit really talk wetin wey dey pass but e be now very strong for motor dem say for waka for the road as I talk na road for comot for Bengui you go for Archer even pikin say wey dey waka for that side e dey only jump na on top one eucalyptus e pass another one e jump eucalyptus e pass another one but sabi say na one side for the road e dey happen for sika say bridge say sesep e don cut wey no dey wey motor sesep if e enter for this side na so stick dem they don block road with am inside this palava so for that side so for northwest for inside Bamenda side Bengui Archer road wey no dey at all. Now for inside Boyam na so palava for cry na so palava for crime na some die body too wey dey meet up and for inside bush with bullet wey dey show him for that side so man never sabi wetin happen they see the die body na for inside that forest as una dey see am so we no go enter for inside forest or show na the die body but sabi say na so crime wey dey for inside people their mind for Boyam after we dey meet up some other die body for inside bush for that side so for Boya. We left that palava, we enter for different side this afternoon. We talk palava help when Kunkuma Ibidon talk say go reach people there on Northwest and Southwest. Secretary General for Governor Office and Oga Elango Zaccheus wey SSM na DO for the wala for na then SSM they start for do the distribute for this cargo they when gomnam idigi and for people there they don't run for that side so for Northwest and Southwest. Contribute or for give the people them is start now for inside Douala here for that side for Peka 12 now for that side we start all the people then so now one the way they don't run so one they run come on for Northwest other one they come on as Southwest they day so now so they don't give them something mattress it don't come so Papa says be the fix a bed it don't get a penya mattress where it go take sleep on top other kako they be them you get soap you get sardine you get even blanket where they go take cover their skin and toilet roll small thing them where e dey so they join am toothpaste every day even rice every day where they can give am bucket or thing for some people that way they dey for that side so for Peckham after where they run come up for that side so for Northwest and Southwest as so the talk people they don't dey argue whether the thing don't reach for Northwest and Southwest true the kako they don't enter already for inside Northwest and Southwest and governor then say they be already take the cargo no ask ambassador which time they go start for share am that one and no fit for answer the question make we hear some young boy them where they talk for Babila Jonathan and Savers Hippolyte Zangawu cameraman for the Ibidina Francois Dikome una hear them talk
Laxi I come for Bamenda Northwest region Menchon Valley so I come for here now for this year 2018 yes as I come for here I no get work for work I just the way I know the work no nothing what happened before Abuankam village now war where the way before for village so they burn house do any other thing them so
what do you think about this thing?
No, I don't think it be good as they don't bring away thing them for Kangi we don't come for here and I thank God for them.
My name is Akaneli Junior. I come from Weyoka Southwest region. Before the war began start, we be before Bahas with the me oil. As I with the me oil now, that gendarme and that civilian then they start shoot gun for good. Only for a front door. As I start shoot for a front door, we now so for backside with my middle. We run can house, we run go for bush. As I run go for bush now so we don't go sleep for bush for 1 week before I cross for Mongo day, I go for Koto before my party can take me I come for Vince.
Just so Sabi say this distribute, so I don't talk. It's starting now for that side. So for Peka 27 for Douala side here, some of the people them where they don't run come up for Northwest and Southwest, they did shit on for day. Now also make we hear some Mami Pikin and even some pa they talk for Sika this palavam. As we talk, we'll be get with Tori people there. They be Dede, Oga Babila Jonathan, Zangau Sylvester Hippolyte, Zangau and Francois Dikome.
My name is CV. I come for Bauru. Then for Bauru, we no get freedom. We run, we no get rest. Now we run camp for down here. As we run camp for down here, my husband, my master don't show for back. He delivered another property there for back, and then me I there for you with picking there with my mommy. I get 4 picking. Life over strong. Till then we go.
What you give on top of the thing we government not bring?
I give them, thank them plenty for member we.
Make government see for private school So that I may try for open with bilingual school here in Tonde, so that our children, when our pikin where they fit go school, may they not be loose. Because if they be loose tomorrow, some of them they will come to people. Some of them they will run leave me, mommy and papa, and will not be fine. But if they go school tomorrow, they will be a minister, they will be a president, and will go help with the population of.
Yes, so now some of the big people then that says we will be take cargo then wing gum na the help after the run come up for Norwest Airways. I so talk for now. Grant Tango, Minister for Territorial Administration, he day with the chief them for FACO for Yawin the side. He don't not comfortable for talk say all people they ready the support with the pass on Norwest Airways. They go quick catch them for America, bring them back. For inside Douala again, Palava for land, it be day for this side, so for Bojongo, under Douala form, where some people them, the one drive them, they build fence, cover the whole land, say me they left the land, so the people then say they be come off for road, for talk say they get their land title, say one person no fi come, for can talk for them, say me they come out for land where it they so, they don't shit down for them for plenty time, so they be come off for road plenty, for beg ngomna, and for talk say make law commander for country, make people then say they hear commander and make they no make fight. It happen. So now more than 50 family them where they want put fence for side where they dish done for say make they come out, say the land now for some one man where he get plenty money for inside Douala here. We go take un announce so we talk this Palava Kasingo, we Minister for Transport, Jean-Ernest Masina Galebibe, again for some moto them. Sabi say on top this Palava for General Express, they never block General Express for now. We fit say they don't put suspend on top suspend for General Express, but it no mean say they no get right for work. Now for second why that will go for General Express for go see as we live the day. As we go for the all arrangement for General Express, it the work fine for talk say they don't give them suspend. Where if they make mistake get accident one time, now so too they go give their own casting go as well they don't give them for Guarantee Express. If work it happen for General Express, we go to for Guarantee Express where it just there for we corner place here for inside Guarantee Express. For distance, when we look all place it just there some kind. Now Guarantee Express their own place out there they ever pack people then go. All motor them they there for inside their house. No motor it never come out for outside. Now for talk say to that casting go away minister give for Guarantee Express they respect them. No man it never come out or people that they come for can enter for them, but they only tell them say they know the work for now. So te 1 moon it pass as we minister it talking. So now the face that we will see them for General and Guarantee Express. Now so make we talk Palava Doti for that side, so for Limbe inside Gardens. Woman them for church, they don't come out today say as we motor or company where the local dirty, it never fit for can carry dirty. Then say they don't come out this early morning time or this afternoon. They clean their own quarter. Then say now for that side for Gardens for Limbe, when the people then where woman they come out, they say they don't tire dirty. Where it even can lock road more time. Sabi say Limbe say just come out for suffer. This Palava for waiting, Palava for water we enter for people their house. So for inside this Palava. So as soon as they see them, woman they come out, they say better, may they clean the dirty. As we company says it don't deny for come do the way it get for do am. Now so make we go for different palava for this afternoon. We talk small palava for sports. This afternoon we take on a enter for inside army them where they lost fire. Yes, they call them the army rescue. They be get their time for sports, season for sport for army rescue people that say it be finished yesterday. Con people them will be get people them for 2014-15 where they win cup for Ndamba. Then for volleyball, now the young boy them for 2017 they knock the old one them. Now the old one and this where they be knock their own small volleyball stuff yesterday. Sabi say na big man self. Colonel Michael Abidede for as well this sports time for army people them it start. Now them the lost fire, now them they carry their body them when they call them. But but they talk say no be na only for other place they get for be na for sika why that way they join hand with the young people them for say make they try for make small sport and for say make they keep their skin fine so that when anything happen they go call them. So volleyball final one at the look and so it be consign the young boy them for 2017 versus old people them way they so they don't be for inside the work for long time. Even Colonel Michael Asesep, it be they make his own small show for 17. He too be get for enter for fee for play his own small volleyball with Sabi. And so it be then a chapter for sports for Army Rescue people them for inside Douala. Last call, you know this year, now people them for 2017, they knock 01 them. Even small picking firefighter people them too, they be there for give support. Other work people then necessary they no be there inside the chapter, they be there them plenty for see as well this sports it finish for that side so for sports field for inside Army Rescue Unit their own place. As well I talk, Ndamba Seseb it be there for inside this palaver. Just for Sabi say after we they finish do all the sports, normal people the way they be get correct thing them they be give them cup so they be give all them small cup them for say they give them congratulate for inside the palaver and Sabi say the people there they win whether na for best player or whether na for even the best team we win team there they win all man it be take your own time for take your own cup small for that side and na different big people then say they be give the cup them for people the way they win and so it be been a big game we all big people them for that side for Army Rescue for just so we corner here they be get them as we they be the give congratulate for young boy them old people them where it dey so they dey for inside the work Sabi say oh man he never mean say he no sabi the work inside this palaver. Glad he be there and all sides he be there na be glad. So, normal, no be na only for go lost fire they sabi, no be na only say when you see some die body you call and they come, they do it for all sides. Now time to for make sports so that they feel sabi their people them. One newspaper they will go look for inside this afternoon before we look for case for person we don't lost. For the post weekend that we there for outside today, Boyam, according to the post weekend some person will be there for side where this shooting be happen. It don't talk for the post weekend all thing as where the team happen. According to where the post weekend talk they say eyewitness for Queen Elisa. Now person says will be there, he see as where the team pass where it talk for the post weekend you want sabi the team enter for the post weekend you read 2018 vote for Genyu Kunkuma waiting where the 20 opposition party them they go last she don't forget inside after we they give waiting they give support from Kunkuma the post weekend he get plus all the kind thing that we don't happen as well this palaver for Northwest and Southwest in the past the post weekend SSF he get for inside Tori for this afternoon. Now the only newspaper that will look for insight will be sorry for seekers on small problem calling people them we know fit give on the guidance post we will be shown for morning time but just for Sabi same one of the strong number them for the guidance post now for talk this palaver for minister for territorial administration we eat day with the chief them for Fako today for that side so for inside Yawende. Now, so make we take this announce, we get person we don't lose, make una see face. Then some pa we get that kind of 80, get 80 to 85 years, con people them. The pa get 85 years, we the pa don't lose, make we show na the pa face. In name na well, we know the fee for see the face fine, but we na struggle see am. If we na see for any site, then they call in a Edika Jean, Ewunjo Edika Jean, he gets 85 years. And the talk say he lost for number 2 day for inside this very moon around that kind of 4 o'clock for quarter way they call am say log baba. They say time we pa be come up for house. They say be wear some trusses where he get some kind of dark color. Then the talk say he be wear some long shirts where he get green color for his skin. and Pa too e be comot with his small shoe for his system. Pa e dey talk fine for French, and dey talk say Pa e no dey fine for e head. E mean say Pa e get some small sick for e head. So Ma Edika Germain e dey beg any person wey see this Pa e brother make e try for call this tingly number dey wey I go give am 677-173-748 677-783-699 699-376-499 675-962-814, or e bring it for Equinox Story House, Plenty Dash, e dey wait you. Madame Edika Germain annonce la disparition de son père, le nommé Ewunjo Edika Jean, âgé de 85 ans, le 2 août 2018 aux environs de 16 heures au quartier Logbaba. Au moment de sa disparition, il était vêtu d'une pantalon grise et une chemise verte et n'était pas chaussé. Il s'exprime en français et ne jouit pas de toutes ses facultés mentales. Madame Edika prie toute personne qui retrouvait ou hébergeait son père de bien vouloir le contacter au numéro suivant 677 173 748 677 783 699 699 376 499 675 962 814 ou de la conduire à la télévision Equinox contre une très forte récompense. So, the people them, now there's some more to read and that's all get on for now for this afternoon. But before we go, one for the road. Yes, now one for the road that as I be say plenty people they do they get for go enjoy weekends. Una don't tips on style they wanna fit take them for dance. For any gang they wanna get for be. For people that way they outside country, 12:30 we go play back Tori for this afternoon. And you where you want join we, where you know film it or we. YouTube says you enter for day, you put PG News, you go see all to a pass. Even for Facebook, you film it or we for them. For put your own small comments as well the Tori the pass. Once a big thank you for all people that they make the week it happen fine. All money don't join hand. The week pass fine. Saturday we get PG News debate. It go start for 12:30. It finish for 1:30 Cameroon time. Once a big thank you for Da Silva Michael we don't make things happen for social media. Big thank you to Nadingwa for big thank you Varios. Big thank you Francois Dikume where he put camera for my face. Anyhow, we go meet up for Saturday for 12:30. Make man no shake. On a hold am tight.